everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to imagine your future partner's look using just your own photo with ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then go to menu, this one, and then just tap on images and then scroll down and then next just tap on the styles or effect that called what does my future partner look like, this one, just click on it, and then after that just upload or choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo from your camera. In this tutorial I will just choose my photo from my gallery, and then after that just choose the photo and then tap on done and wait for the process. And then after that the ChatGPT will ask you two quick questions like what is your type and what do you want in a partner. Just reply it as you like. For example like this, and when you're done just tap on submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, ChatGPT will instantly create an imagined look of your future partner like this. And I think it's simple, fun, and it's so fun to imagine your future partner. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.